Revolut Metal Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you've been hearing a lot about Revolut and its premium metal card, you're not alone. In 2025, digital banking and fintech solutions have surged in popularity, offering features that traditional banks struggle to match. But the big question remains, is the Revolut Metal account truly worth it, or should you leave it for something else? Let's break down everything you need to know about Revolut Metal, including its features, fees, perks, and potential downsides, so you can make an informed decision. First, let's understand what Revolut Metal actually is. Revolut is a UK-based fintech company that offers digital banking services, including multi-currency accounts, instant money transfers, and cryptocurrency trading. The Metal plan is their premium tier, providing a Metal debit card, higher transaction limits, and a suite of additional perks compared to standard accounts. While Revolut operates primarily as an app-based bank, it partners with licensed banks in each region, ensuring regulatory compliance and security for user funds. One of the main attractions of Revolut Metal is the card itself. Unlike traditional plastic cards, the Metal card is made of actual stainless steel, which gives it a distinct, premium feel. But this isn't just about aesthetics. The Metal account unlocks perks like cashback on card purchases, travel insurance, lounge access, and other premium benefits that standard Revolut accounts don't provide. For frequent travelers and fintech enthusiasts, these features are particularly appealing. Let's dive into the core features. Revolut Metal supports multiple currencies, making it ideal for international use. You can hold, exchange, and spend in dozens of currencies at competitive interbank exchange rates. For example, if you're traveling across Europe, you can pay in euros, pounds, or Swiss francs without hefty conversion fees that traditional banks often charge. In 2025, Revolut continues to offer exchange rates that are close to the real market rate, which can save you hundreds of dollars annually if you travel or shop internationally. Cashback is another major selling point. Revolut Metal users earn 1% cashback on all card purchases, paid in either the currency used or in crypto if you prefer. For someone spending $3,000 a month, that's roughly $360 annually free money just for using your card. While this may seem modest compared to some rewards credit cards, the fact that it applies to all purchases worldwide without category restrictions makes it unique. The cashback is credited instantly, allowing you to either spend it, hold it in your account, or invest it in cryptocurrencies supported by Revolut. Travel benefits are also impressive. Revolut Metal includes overseas medical insurance, delayed luggage coverage, and delayed flight insurance. This coverage can be a huge time and money saver, especially if you're a frequent traveler. For instance, if your flight is delayed and you need to purchase meals or hotel accommodations, Revolut Metal can reimburse you according to the plan's policy. Additionally, some users get access to airport lounges through LoungeKey or similar programs, which adds another layer of convenience for international trips. Security and convenience are key advantages. Revolut allows instant card freezing and unfreezing through the app, real-time notifications for transactions, and customizable spending limits. Lost cards, suspicious activity, and unauthorized transactions can be handled directly from your phone, giving you peace of mind. Furthermore, Revolut supports virtual cards, which are perfect for online shopping or subscriptions, reducing the risk of fraud or data theft. Banking functionality goes beyond just spending and traveling. The app includes features like budgeting, saving vaults, recurring payments, and cryptocurrency trading. You can automate savings, set spending limits, and even round up purchases to the nearest dollar to invest spare change. For tech-savvy users, these features transform the Metal account into a comprehensive financial management hub rather than just a debit card. That said, there are some costs to consider. Revolut Metal carries a monthly fee around $16.99 in 2025, so you'll want to make sure you actually benefit from the perks to justify this expense. If you're a casual user who doesn't travel often or spend enough to earn meaningful cashback, the fee may outweigh the benefits. Additionally, certain insurance benefits require users to meet specific conditions, such as activating travel insurance before a trip, which may be overlooked by some users. ATM withdrawals are free up to a certain limit per month, typically $800 to $1,000 depending on your country, and withdrawals beyond this incur a small fee. While this is generous compared to basic accounts, heavy cash users should be aware of potential fees. Cryptocurrency trading, while convenient, also carries spread costs, so it's not necessarily the most cost-effective way to buy crypto compared to dedicated exchanges. Still, the convenience factor is significant for many users. Let's look at real-world examples. Consider Emily, a digital nomad who travels across Europe and Asia for work. She uses Revolut Metal to pay for co-working spaces, flights, and meals in local currencies. She avoids conversion fees, earns 1% cashback, and enjoys travel insurance coverage without having to purchase separate policies. For Emily, the Metal account is clearly worth the monthly fee because it integrates all her financial needs into one platform. Contrast that with Mark, a casual user who primarily shops locally and rarely travels abroad. While he enjoys the sleek Metal card and the app interface, he doesn't fully utilize the travel perks or high-limit withdrawals. For Mark, the monthly fee might not make sense, and he may be better off with a lower-tier Revolut account or another digital banking option with no monthly fee. Customer support is another factor. Revolut provides in-app chat support and phone support for premium Metal users. While digital-first support can be convenient, some users may find it slower than traditional banks for resolving complex issues. That said, Revolut has continuously improved support response times and offers detailed FAQs and help articles within the app, which mitigates this concern for most users. Security remains strong, as Revolut is regulated by financial authorities in multiple countries. Funds are held in segregated accounts, protecting users in the unlikely event of company insolvency. Additionally, features like disposable virtual cards, instant spending notifications, and location-based transaction controls enhance the security of both online and in-person transactions. So, should you get Revolut Metal or leave it? If you are a frequent traveler, make international purchases regularly, and enjoy tech-driven banking solutions, the Metal account is likely worth it. The combination of cashback, travel perks, competitive exchange rates, and premium customer support creates real value that can exceed the monthly fee. However, if you don't travel much, don't use multiple currencies, or aren't interested in the app's advanced features, the standard Revolut account or other digital banks may be more cost-effective. In conclusion, Revolut Metal in 2025 remains a top-tier option for digital-first users who want a sleek, multifunctional, and travel-friendly banking experience. Its Metal card is more than just a status symbol. It unlocks practical benefits like cashback, insurance, and multi-currency support. The app's integration with budgeting, savings, and cryptocurrency features further enhances its value. While the monthly fee means it's not for everyone, for the right user, Revolut Metal delivers convenience, security, and perks that traditional banks struggle to match. If you're looking for a modern, premium banking experience and will actually use the benefits, Revolut Metal is absolutely worth it. For casual users who won't leverage the perks, it may be better to leave it. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your lifestyle, spending habits, and how much you value travel and digital-first banking convenience.